Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are the Brooklyn Boondockers. We are a family from Brooklyn, New York, and we decided to start building RVs. We acquired this 21 passenger Chevy G4500 from auction. They said it had transmission problems and the airbags were not working. We figured it might cost around $6,500 to get it fixed. After the mechanic was done repairing it, it was only a module and a loose hose. It only cost us $900. We are off to a great start. So we are here at the Chevrolet dealer in Washington. 24 hours later, we've made it 4 hours. Not too bad, huh? So the emission has a problem and it's only allowing us to drive 55 miles per hour, and then it's gonna go down to 4 miles per hour. So at that rate it should take a few months to get to New York, I guess. Anyway, that's part of the learning curve, and we're just glad and blessed that we are still alive and we're here waiting. Hopefully it's not too expensive. Hopefully we could get back on the road today. So we finally made it out of Washington and now we are in Idaho. 24 hours later, we're finally on the road. I just want to thank everybody from the dealership that helped us out and fixed the bus the same day for us. Now we're here at this overlook and we just stop real quick to enjoy the view and nature for a little while before we keep going, and we'll give you another update when we get to New York or before then. We're finally back in New York. Time to get rocking and working on this shuttle bus. We came to the bus to try to figure out what will be the easiest way to take the seats off. I've seen a lot of people taking seats off on YouTube, and I wanted to try a few methods to see what works best. So the first thing I did was take a wrench, put it through the hole, and use this long wrench for torque to loosen it up. Then I use the ratchet on the side to make it a little easier. Now we're actually going. The good thing about it is that it seems like I don't have to go under the bus. Check it out.
Twelve seconds later.
So that was taking way too long. So what I decided to do is run to Home Depot real quick and get the impact wrench. Hopefully that will help. So here we go. Test number 1. And the seat is out in about 30 seconds. Not bad. Hold on, no, keep it up. Got it? Yeah. Take it out then. First seat completely out. I couldn't get on under the seat with the drill and the bit, so luckily I had this extender here, and it actually fits pretty good. Hopefully, it comes. Please tell me you got that.
Of course I got that.
Second seat out. So one thing we talk about in the family alliance, opportunity cost. This drill cost me $100. Again, I got the free battery and the free charger. It's gonna save me a whole day worth of work, maybe 2 days worth of work. I could go right now, it's raining in New York City, and go do Uber Eats and make $200-300, which will pay for the drill, and I have some extra money in my pocket. Or I could take the time and keep cutting the bus. So it's very important to try to find ways to be more productive when you're like doing any project in life. I've seen people take the bus apart with a screwdriver. I know not in every state you could do Uber Eats or make some money on the side, but there's other ways of getting free stuff. You know, you could go to Craigslist, free cycle, get a free drill, borrow one. Just a little advice for you guys.